Ooh, sticking to the paper, I ain't using glue. All my diamonds dripping more than water from the pool. I think I'm like that, floating by the moon. Unpredictable, won't let you know my mood.
What's good with the 2.0 family, man? It's your boy Sneakahead Dez, and we back. We back with another freaking video, man. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day out there, because y'all know me, man. Y'all know me. I'm blessed. Blessed by the best all times, every day, at all times, you know what I'm saying? I'm feeling wonderful, man. Hope you guys are feeling the same way out there. Hey, look at here, though. I really don't want to keep y'all long on this video at all, so what we gonna do, we gonna jump right into the we're gonna jump right into the sauce, okay? So, for me, family, man, lately, bro, I've been on the Air Force One craze, bro. I've been craving Air Force Ones, like, for real, bro. Air Force Ones are the way to go, bro. Whether you go low top, mid top, high top, bro. White, black, red, green. Bro, you can never lose with Air Force Ones, bro. Air Force Ones will never go out of style, bro. I don't care where you live, what you do for a living, how much money you make, what type of clothes you wear, dog. Air Force Ones are the complete shoe, bro. Like, you can do anything in these, bro. You can work out in them. You can put these on with a suit, jeans, bro, anything, bro. You put them on with a coat, like, bro, anything. They can be styled in any way. They fashionable, bro. Air Force Ones are the complete shoe, bro. Like, you can never go wrong, bro. They're a world-class phenomenon, bro. Like, you just cannot get rid of Air Force Ones. Like, no matter what you do, like I said, where you go in the world, pretty much, bro, somebody gonna have on a pair of Air Force Ones, bro. Like, you can't get around it, bro. You can't get away from Air Force Ones. So with all that being said, family, I decided to start me an Air Force One collection, but I think it's a good idea, bro. I think it's a good idea that I start my Air Force One collection, because one, I feel like, man, Jordans just, you know, everybody on Jordans, bro. Literally, everybody on Jordans. Ain't nobody just on Air Force Ones. Like, they own them, but Jordans, come on now. Jordans, bro. Everybody going out to get Jordans Saturday, bro. Ain't nobody going out to get no Air Force One Saturday, bro. Come on, bro. So, I decided to, man, go on here and jump into the Air Force One hype, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I decided to go on here and do that because, for one, family, Air Force Ones are, like I said, they completely stylish and they versatile with anything that you wear. You can put on a suit with them, put on a peak coat, whatever, any dress style you think about, bro. You can wear Air Force Ones. And two, they cheap, bro. $100 a pop. You know what I'm saying? $100? What is $100? You can buy you, for a pair of Jordans, bro. For a resale Jordans, you probably can buy you 4 pair of Air Force Ones, bro. Depending on what type of Jordans you get at resale price, bro. Get you, you know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. You can get you 2 pair of Air Force One for a pair of $100 Jordan. I mean, $200 Jordans. So it's like, come on, bro. You gotta think with your head now. Think with your head. But anyway, family, man, if y'all can read that freaking title at the bottom of y'all screen or the top of y'all screen, out there, you know what we finna get into. I picked up something super cool off GOAT, you know what I'm saying? I seen it, and you know, I had to go on here scoop. You know, it was a scoop for me, you know. It was the scoop for me, you know what I'm saying? That's what it was, you know. I just had to, it was eye candy to me, and I had to do it to him. That's it. If y'all don't know, man, I'm a big Foamposite advocate, man. I've been rocking foams for quite some time now, bro. It's been a minute, bro. I got quite a few pair of foams now, you know what I'm saying? I consider myself a Foamposite guru at this point, you know what I'm saying? So, but anyway, family, man, I'm searching on GOAT, and, you know, I noticed it's a pair of Air Force Ones, and they say Foamposite. So, I did the math. I said, what? Air Force One and Foamposite, Air Force One. How is this even for real? You know what I'm saying? So I clicked on it, and that was a pair of Foamposite Air Force Ones, brother. They had the Foamposite shell and everything. So I was like, let me see what's up. I'm trying to get back, see if they had a size for me. I ended up ordering me a pair of them bad boys. I said, oh yeah, I gotta get me some of those. So I did just that. But anyway, family, man, I'm gonna get into the name and the colorway of these bad boys. You know what I'm saying? These are the Air Force One Foamposite Pro Cup. You know what I'm saying? That colorway on that thing is gem red and black. Black box, black Foamposite box. Actually, this is actually a Foamposite box. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Ooh-wee. Thing hit, man. Things hit, bro. They hit. They hit magnificent, though. Like, yes, sirski. And of course, y'all know Foamposite got that hard shell-like material, so they really don't even bend, bro. Bro, you gotta be a rough nigga, bro, to mess up some foams. Bro, you bad, boy. I ain't gonna lie, you bad to mess up some foams. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man, this what they coming like. This what they coming like, bro. They nasty. I ain't gonna lie. They nasty. Remind me of a little cough drop. You know what I'm saying? I'm called these the cough drops. These, ooh. I'm starting to look like some medicine. Ooh, golly. Can y'all even see these? Can y'all? Let me move this out the way. Let me move that up out of the way, man. Get y'all, ooh, them things hitting. I mean, it's pretty much a self-explanatory shoe, bro. It's red all around, bro. It's a red, cardinal red color all the way around the upper of this shoe. Black midsole, outsole, y'all see what's going on, bro. It's simple, bro. It's 2 colors, bro, and all, you know what I'm saying? 2 colors and all. And another reason that I picked up these shoes is because they red. I don't really have too many all red shoes, you know what I'm saying? Air Force Ones at that. And I just seen them, bro. I had to get them, bro. It was a must. It was a must cop. I actually got my eyes on another pair of these bad boys. They actually got a couple more pair of Foamposite Air Force Ones that I'm gonna be checking out real soon. So y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, man, it's pretty much a simple shoe, man. I'm gonna get B-rolls and y'all can get, you know what I'm saying, get a glimpse of what I see, bro. Like pretty much the whole upper of this shoe is completely dripped in red, bro. Completely dripped in red like a murder scene. You know what I'm saying? And black Nike sign, black Nike swoosh, y'all know what's going on. And on the opposite side, like the Nike swoosh is like printed like on the shoe, like it's embedded in the shoe. Like it ain't no, you know, stitching around. It's like embedded in the shoe, like literally, bro. It ain't like this. Of course, y'all can see it ain't like, y'all, bro, come on, the B-roll is gonna pretty much explain. I don't know how to explain this. It's like a Nike sign embedded in the shoe. Can't take it off, it ain't no stitching around, it ain't nothing. So it's like, you know, that's pretty cool. I like that, bro. Coming up that tongue, guys, we got black laces, we got a black tongue, and we got that red Nike stitching, Nike Air stitching up top the tongue. It's pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? Black guts, a red Nike Air on the floorboard of that bad boy, looking pretty good, pretty good. We got a black midsole, and we also have a black outsole to pretty much counteract with that black midsole, man. It's pretty cool, bro. I love it, man. Like I said, it's a pretty simple shoe. It's really not too much to say about this shoe. You know, I'm loving it. But anyway, family, man, that's gonna wrap up this freaking video. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. If you guys happen to have love for these sneakers, man, if you like this freaking pickup from yours truly, make sure you smash that freaking like button. You also subscribe to the channel if you're new, man, because we lit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, we lit is all I can get. And I want you guys to be, I want you to stay here, man. I want you to be here. Cause I got a whole lot, bro. I'm building up this Air Force One collection, man, and I want y'all to see, bro. I want y'all to see the progress. Like I said, I'm excited for the journey, bro. You know, I'm trying to get as many Air Force Ones as I can. I'm trying to go crazy, you know what I'm saying? So hey, I'm actually gonna have an on foot for you guys after this video, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned if you guys want to check that out, man. It's gonna be coming up real soon. But I'm gonna leave you guys with some B-roll so y'all can embrace the shoe, so y'all can feel the shoe like I feel it. And hopefully you guys, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, your boy Sneakahead did. I'm finna sign up out this joint. I'ma holler at y'all, bro. In 3, 2, 1.